Hi, today we have a challenge called string incrementer. What do we have to do? Well, we have a string and we have to increment it by 1, basically. So if the string does not end with a number, like here, you just have to append a 1 to the new string. But if the string ends with a number, we have to add a 1 with it. Well, let's go. Let's get it started with the first example. What I want to do is to separate the letters from the digits. So let's start with getting the letters. How do we do that? Well, as follows, we have a new variable letters is equal to the string, but we strip the digits away from the right-hand side. Not the digits in the middle, but only from the right-hand side, because that are the digits that we have to increment with 1. So we use R strip, and we strip all the digits away from 1 till 9. There we go. This says our work. Yep. Next step, get the digits. The digits we have to increase with 1 eventually. We do it as follows. We use slicing for that. The digits is equal to the original string. And then we use slicing, and we only need the last 4 characters. So we use a colon, and then we start with 3. Let's return digits. We don't need the static value, but that's only for demonstration purposes. What we have to do is to replace the static value by the length of the letters. Is that right? Let me check it. Yeah, having that out of the way, we can return the result. And there's a comment actually. As follows. First of all, we have to add a 1 with the digits. Add a 1 with the digits. So the digits is equal to the digits plus 1. That won't work. Can only concatenate 2 strings. So what we have to do is to convert the digits to an integer type because it's now a string type. So return that 43, but we have to respect the leading zeros. And for that we can use zfill, if I pronounce it right. First of all, we have to convert it back to a string type. And then we use .cfill. And it has to have 4 characters. So we can put it in as an argument. Yeah. So if the string only has 2 characters, it will fill it up till 4 characters with leading zeros. But we have to replace the static 4 by the actual length of the digits property to make it work for all test cases. Yeah. And what we can do now is to just return the letters concatenated with the digits. Yeah, that's what we need. On to the next. Does this one work out? Nope, there we have a problem. There we have a value error, invalid literal for the integer with base 10. And then we have an empty value. So for that, we need an exception. Exception if there are no initial digits. Then we do the following. If the digits are non-existent, then we just return the letters with a 1 concatenated to it. Yeah. On to the next. This one worked out. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah. This one, interesting test case, works out as well. Well, it seems that this works out. Let's test it out in the interpreter. Test. And there we go. Attempt. Hope this has been useful, that you have learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video.